This is the second part because supposed to make their things very short. So I opened him. Here he is. Monkey. And the cool part about this darn monkey is that he he is like super rad, my guy, because his hand is he has a weird hand where he can bend his finger and it'll stay like that. Not the other fingers, but the 2 pointers. But so now we officially have 3 plushies from Gorilla Tag. I didn't buy the first one. But I was scammed. I bought the hat. But first let's get this monkey's clothes on, because we don't want him to be naked. How do you get a backpack on a monkey? Wait, okay, I see. Gorilla Tag has to make all their stuff impossible to put on. We got his backpack on. Gotta get his hat on. Why do I have Tyler the Creator stuck in my head? Well, no. This is him so far. Where did I put the milk? Oh, wow. That's funny. I already lost the milk. Crap. I said I just find the milk. God. Where's the milk? Where did I put the milk? Bye. Oh, there's the milk. Found it. No.